Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today's video I'm going to do some neon crosshatch design with a bit of glitter. So I'm going to go in with the Urban Graffiti Snow White as a base coat. So when I go over with the yellow, it should go really, really bright. So I've already sculpted an acrylic on here. So if this was a gel polish, you'd need to prep and base coat, but we don't need to do that. Oh no. Fluffy. I got a bit of fluff. Oh god, it really doesn't want to come off. Did it? Right, push up towards the cuticle. Down. Cap the free edge and pop it under the lamp, please. 30 seconds. Can I go in with the second coat now? Pop it under, 30 seconds please. So now I'm using the Urban Graffiti Sherbert Lemon. I'm going to go in with one coat of this. It should be really bright on top of the white. Oh, and it is. You could cheat, and when you do your acrylic, you could do a white acrylic base rather than a gel polish. Pop it under 30 seconds please. I'm just going to take off that sticky layer with the gel wipe off solution. Now I'm going to use Flame Point, which I've got on my nails, and then Atomic Tangerine from the Luminous collection. So I've put a little bit of them colours in a palette. I'm going to try it with this. The Neo Nails Short Fan Brush. Look at that! And I'm just going to try and drag it down. Might not work. Drag it up and down. Pop it under for 10 seconds, we're just going to flash cure it. I'm going to clean off my brush with the Neo Nails Gel Residue Wipe Off Solution. I'm going to repeat the process with the Atomic Tangerine colour. I think they're going to look quite similar, but one of them's going to glow in the dark. Yeah. I know you can definitely see a difference.
Yeah.
Pop that under, 10 seconds please. I'm going to use a little bit of Serious Black, a little bit on the palette. This time I'm going to use the Neo Nails 01 brush. Load your brush up. And I'm literally just going to do random patterns. Like crosshatch. That's the right word. Crosshatch.
Yeah. Like a waffle.
I like that. Pop that under please, 10 seconds. So I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti matte top coat. Remember, cap that free edge, you don't want any lifting. Pop that under please for 60 seconds. I'm going to use Glitz and Glam. Bit of glitter. Pop a bit. That's amazing. Pop a little bit in the palette. Move my brush up and I just want it to go in the middle. Oh yes. Just like that. That's the most random design I think I've ever done.
Pretty though.
I like it. Pop it under the lamp, please.
How long?
30 seconds. Going to wipe off with the No Nails Gel Residue Wipe Off Solution. And it'll take off the sticky layer of the glitter. And hopefully,
And mat up the rest of the nail.
Yeah, it did. So what I'm going to do is use the Urban Graffiti top coat. Just a little blob over the glitter, just to make it a bit shinier. Make it stand out from the mat. There you go, pop that back under the lamp please. 60 seconds. Right, so to finish off, I'm going to use some almond cuticle oil. I'm just going to put it on the skin around the nail because I don't want to take off the matteness. And there we go. So we've got a neon crosshatch design with some glitter. And this would look really good as a full set if you're going to use like the yellow as a background or a base. Then you could maybe go in with like Kiss and Booth. That would go really nice. Or even like mine would go really well.
You could alternate the colours as well of the ones you've already used on there. Definitely.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All the products are listed below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!